Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Wherever you are on the surface of this earth, I send my greetings to every one of my listener. My name is Muyo Adedayo, and I'm actually recording this video from Nigeria. I am a lecturer. I am also an educational neuroscientist. Presently, my team and I we're currently championing and spreading the gospel of educational neuroscience not only in Nigeria, but our message has maybe gone beyond the shores of this country into some other African countries like Ghana and South Africa, and I strongly believe that other countries will soon feel the impact of educational neuroscience that we're currently championing on the continent. So I've told you my name. Then this station is simply referred to as a Success Strategies TV. It is a TV that is actually designed to share ideas, to share concepts, to share findings, with our global audience. But before I go into the topic of today, there is something that has become a kind of a norm, with me, in this station, and it is trying to go ahead and acknowledge all those individuals that have contributed to my neurological understanding, and status presently. And I have four Nobel laureates that I would like to, acknowledge, at this juncture. The first one is Professor Eric Kandel. The second one is Professor John O'Keefe. The third and fourth one, they are both husbands, a husband and wife, and they are Professor uh, May May Brit Moza and Professor Edva Moza. Then I still have some other professors like Professor Jeff Littman of Harvard University and other professors out there leading lights that are currently expanding the frontiers of neuroscience and educational neuroscience. So the topic today is simply educational neuroscience and neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity, it is a topic that is so integral, to the discipline of neuroscience and educational neuroscience. So the first question is, how did neuroplasticity, how did it evolve, and what is neuroplasticity? So the first person, to actually coin, the term neuroplasticity or plasticity, was a Polish neuroscientist, and his name is Jerzy Konoski. He actually invented or created or coined this term neuroplasticity in 1948. Then the next question is this: what is neuroplasticity? Simply, a neuro means new neurons. Then plasticity has to do with the changes, that neurons experience, as a result of so many factors. It could be a kind of negative or positive kind of experience. It could be as a result of profound teaching or education. It could be due to accident, etc. And then to expatiate further, that neuroplasticity, simply means that when an individual is learning, for example, and if the learning actually hits, the person profoundly, that this this maybe realization, this new idea that has just hit that person, that there's a way that neurons that are dedicated, to learning, those populations, of academic neurons, or what it is simply referred to as concept neurons, that the sizes of these neurons are changed. Not only the sizes, the density of the neurons, the population of these neurons, they expand. Then the strength of these neurons also expand, especially, in the circuitry that is dedicated, to learning and education at that moment. So simply put, that neuroplasticity has to do with the changes that happen, that has to do with the changes that affect populations and density, or a kind of an assembly of neurons that are dedicated to a particular activity. Furthermore, what are the types, okay, of a neuroplasticity or plasticity, as we have it in neuroscience and educational neuroscience. There are different types of neuroplasticity. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to, okay, restrict myself just to two. Okay, what I call the positive, okay, and the negative, okay, neuroplasticity. Okay, for the positive neuroplasticity, for example, that anything that you actually expose yourself to, and if that thing affects you, okay, positively, okay, leading to some kind of phenotype or expressive behaviors, that is what is referred to as a positive neuroplasticity. For example, okay, education is it is a concept, okay, that has the capacity, okay, to do what? To cause neuroplasticity, okay, in people's brains. If you learn how to read, also this is another good example of what? Of positive, okay, neuroplasticity. And again, let me add this, because presently I am training teachers, okay, school owners, okay, students, okay, all over the continent on educational, okay, neuroscience. Do you know that these students, okay, they are not aware, but I know that as we meet online, as we meet offline, and as I review, okay, new ideas, as I train them on new topics, okay, maybe every day or every week, that there is gradual neuroplasticity that is taking place in their brains. So, simply put, any profound experience, especially that is positive, that actually leads to positive, okay, outcome in a person's life, is called positive neuroplasticity. Then the other one is the negative plasticity, for people who are addicted to drugs, okay, for people who actually smoke, okay, for people who are alcoholics. Okay, do you know that these habits, okay, change their brains, and that is simply called negative neuroplasticity. So, for the sake of this video, I'm going to really stop here. Okay, and do not forget, it is kind of it is an episodic thing. Okay, I'm going to shoot another video. So please, if you have any questions, okay, after watching this video, you're free to drop the question. I will try, okay, as much as possible, okay, to respond to your questions. And please, I'm going to I shall use this medium, okay, to implore you to register for the ongoing educational neuroscience training that my colleague and I are presently running, not only in Nigeria but across the continent. And it is not restricted to the African continent alone. Okay, for people out there who are interested in having, okay, insight in understanding, okay, one of the newest idea in global education, which is referred to as educational neuroscience, they are free, okay, to register for the course. Thank you, and I shall see you, okay, in the next video.